Hello guys and welcome into another video of TradingMind YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing the same thing as we did. Trading using our robot MindBot, so we can have automatic tradings into the binary section. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like this video and give us your feedback or leave us your comment, whatever you want to say. So just leave us the comment in the comment section and let's start. So I want to remind you guys, if you don't have an IQ option account, you can use our link in the description so you can open your IQ option account and start trading. So I will show you the interface of the robot as you guys see. So we will log in. So we're gonna trade. Okay, we set up our login and the password. So for the trading value, the trade value is the amount, like always. We're going for 5. The stop loss, I will use 28.35. And the stop win, I'm gonna go for 13. So once we set up everything in our money management, our login, etc., we're gonna go for authentication. Success. We are logged in and balance is same as our practice account. So I will show you guys how it works, the robot, and we will see the next videos with real account so we can watch our real account tradings. So as you guys see, we got our first trade on GBP USD, and you guys can see the amount was deduced from here and the operation was put onto the binary option. So we got this. So guys, I want to remind you all that the robot is not detected by IQ option and it's not illegal to use. So it's 100% legal to use this, and our robot is 100% safe to use. So it's not detected by IQ option system. So I will not get blocked as some says, or I don't know what they say. So it's 100% safe to trade because this algorithm of this robot is specific and it's goodly made. So it's making some rejection over here and highly potential. This trade, the next candle will go for red. All right, it's going in the ITM side. So 30 seconds left for our trade and it's going good. So let's wait. So as you guys can see, this trade is going to the right side, so it's a winning trade. So it will show up here right now. It's a win trade. We made $4.35 and our winning ratio is 100%. The trades win 1 and lost trades is 0. So we will gonna wait the next trade. So our trading history is showing us the entry point, the exit time, so the expiration time when it closed, when the trade was closed. So as you guys can see, it's almost same time. The trade amount was 5, the pair was GBP USD, and the signal was put, and the result was a winning shot. So our balance is 132, as you guys can see, and let's wait the next trade to show. So as you guys can see, we have a trade here. So the analysis was fast. So we had OGPY. The type of operation is put into the binary. So OGPY was a put, and the price, the trade amount was deduced from the balance. And let's see what is going on. So as you guys can see, it's going very good side. So let's wait until this trade finish and let's see. As you guys see, it's 30 seconds, almost 25.4. So seconds left. So until our trade finish. So it's going in the right side, and we hope the best into the next trade. So let's wait. The trade is going in the right side, and it's almost finished. So our trade is good, and I will show you. So the trade is win. It's a winning trade. So the winning trade was 435, and the total of profit it's $8.7. So the next trade gonna cover of this, all of this. So we wish the best for this robot. So we have two trades, 2 wins and 0 loss, 100% winning ratio. So trading history is showing us again OGPY is a win, and GBP/USD it's a win again, and the calendar saying that we have news, upcoming news here. So all of this upcoming news, so in 25 minutes. So I hope the bot will close before the news hit. We can use the filter news if we want, but better to stay without this for now. And let's wait the next entry. So it's very fast, as you guys can see. So we have selected pair in EuroCAD, and MindBot analysis was a call, MindBot 1 and the binary option. So I will wait until this trade will happen. So you guys gonna see it appear here into the 32 seconds. I will go for new. So I will wait the purchase time to hit 32 seconds, and it will show here. So 39, 38, 37. So it will appear right now. Yes. All right. So our trade has been placed successfully, and the trade is going in the right side. Let's see what will happen on this trade. Okay. So it's going very good. As you guys can see, we have 30 seconds left, and the trade is dancing on the entry point, but we have trust on our robot. Let's wait what we will do in the next seconds. So we hope the best. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and it's a winning trade. So as you guys can see, it's 13 and the robot is closed. itself. So we have our profit made, $13, and we have made our session today. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave us a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends if you want. So see you guys in the next videos. Bye bye.